Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday 9th of April. Okay, so what is going on with Bitcoin, guys? And what's the new update and where are we headed, and what's going to happen in the future? Let's look at the charts and I'm going to talk about it. But before that, if you want to take my trading course, do check out my trading course and learn technical analysis. Yesterday on Discord, we were talking about how Bitcoin is perhaps interested in visiting the 40K from here, and we were back up in the 43,700 regions. We started to actually go down, go up a little bit, and everyone was actually finding this funny. And I was saying that I have this feeling you'll get a big red candle too, because yesterday what happened is that if I try to zoom in on the 1 hour time frame right over here, this is where we were. It seems like it went down, 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 and we thought it's breaking the bear flag, but no. Um, there was manipulation. We went to the upside again, big green candle. All right. So when we had that big green candle, it seems like I was, telling those people that I have a feeling you'll get a big red candle as well. So here we are. You make one big green candle, some red candle as well. So someone, you do know Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction are equal but opposite in direction, guys. So from here, it seems like we are now looking to go to the $40,000, and the $40,000 is because of course, a bear flag right here. This is what I'm going to show you. So you're putting in a bear flag from where you came from, right? This was your bear flag when you put up a little bit of a rise like that one, and you're breaking out of a bear flag and you're looking to go all the way down. So you take the top to the bottom, you measure them, and this is where you're breaking out. So that takes you all the way down to 40,233. Now the next question is what happens after here. Now you can see you do have a yellow line. You have a yellow line that is the support previously as well, down over here where you had this touch right over here, second, third, fourth, and then you had the fifth touch over there. You come down, touch this place, you bounce back to 44,000 once again, and continue with the ascending triangle. Okay, so what I see for Bitcoin basically maybe potentially is nothing more, was nothing more than just a let's say you had a little bit of room to breathe to make a fake out to the upside before going to 53, and yeah, the apex still takes you until May. You understand that? So if I actually stretch this ascending triangle, now God knows if it's gonna actually pop to the downside, if it's gonna actually pop to the upside as well. Let me just draw this a little bit like that, okay? And from here I'm just gonna pull this to the other side. So you can see when breakouts happen before 80% of the apex, there's a ruling of the apex, by the way, that I've never talked about. If you see things breaking out 80% before, because when it starts to break near the end of the apex, that's a real break with a huge volume potentially. But if they start to break like 60% near you do have a lot of room to make fake outs. Do you get it? You might even go down here, make a fake out, and still go back, just the way you made a fake out here, go back, made a fake out down here, and you go back. Something like this can happen. You can even make a fake out here again, go down there and go up, because you do have another support level, and that support level is going to be this one down here, the wick support level. Get my point here? So I'm actually going to just lay down the wick support levels over here as well, and you do have room for the wicks. So if you do make the wicks to the downside, make the wicks potentially to the 38k, people think, oh, we're going down, being a bear trap, and then you pull back to the upside, and then boom, you continue like this sideways. Now the apex is going to come until 24th of May, until next month. So we're going to see what happens in this space now. But the near target is 40,000, and it's going to remain 40,000. And that's it for today's update. If you want to guys learn even more about trading, you can check out my trading course. It's detailed, really detailed, really easy, and like it's broken down for a small kid to even understand. Okay, I've never heard my students come and message me and say, hey, other coins, we didn't understand this point. No one even said it, and it's like so much contents out there. It's really easy to follow. Okay, you're gonna be understanding all this chart reading the easy way, not the hard way. Okay, and that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.